In today's video, I'm going to teach you a neat little trick using Microsoft Word. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this tip is simple yet surprisingly useful. Sometimes, when working with Word, you might find yourself in need of placeholder text or perhaps just a quick way to fill a document for formatting. This is where the random text generator comes into play. Let's dive right into how you can use this helpful feature. First things first, open up any Microsoft Word file where you'd like to add some text. It could be an existing document you're working on, or you could start fresh with a new one. The choice is yours. Once you have your document in front of you, make sure your cursor is positioned where you'd like the random text to appear. Now comes the magical part. All you need to do is type in =, followed by the word rand, and then a pair of parentheses. So it looks like this on your page. =RAND parentheses. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and press Enter. Abracadabra. You'll instantly see that the space is filled with default random text. Usually, this text is composed of paragraphs with various sentences, perfect for giving you a quick look at how your layout might look when fully written. This is incredibly useful if you're designing a template for reports, newsletters, or any other forms of writing. It helps you to see how the text sits with headings and other formatting elements. This is particularly useful for those moments when you're setting up new documents and need to visualize how everything will look with real content. The beauty of this trick is its simplicity and speed. No need for external placeholder text generators or copy pasting from the internet. It's all built right into Word, seamlessly integrated and ready to use. Just a few keystrokes and you've got a full page to work with. If you want more specific control over the number of paragraphs or lines of text, Word also allows you to customize the command further. But for the purpose of today's quick guide, starting with =rand provides a nice, quick text fill. This method can also come in handy when you're demonstrating document formatting to someone else. A live interactactin that shows off how layouts and styles adjust when the page is filled. And there you have it, an easy and straightforward method to utilize Word's built-in capabilities for generating random text. Give it a try the next time you open Word and see how it can streamline your document preparation. Thanks for watching, and happy word processing.